Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert SGD to USD in Tiger Broker. So let's get straight into it. I assume that you have already SGD token, so let's go here to the portfolio so that you know I'm in demo account, so it's probably the same thing like in live account. But right here, I couldn't bought SGD token, so I take this SGD M token. So I guess this is the same. Now, how to convert to USDT? Simply, we just hit here at the bottom left corner. You will see buy and sell options. So click on sell. And right here, then select here market order. I will go quantity 5 and estimated total we will get US 410 USDT. So click review sell order, and now we can just place sell all order, and right like that we have placed an order, and we successfully converted SGD to USD. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.